In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to get 9 boxes on your TikTok live. So guys, without much of a time, let's dive right into the video. So as you can see, here is the home page on my TikTok app. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus button. You need to click on the plus button just like this. So right here on the screen, you need to scroll down below and click on live. Now looking here, you can see go live. You need to go ahead and select device camera. You can see device camera below where you can see go live. After doing that, then you need to go ahead and click on go live. So currently you're now live streaming on TikTok. As you can see on the screen, this is 4 boxes. I'm going to actually show you how I got mine. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see the guest and host icon. You need to click on the guest icon just like this. So once you do that, you're going to see the setting icon at the top right corner. You need to go ahead and click on it. So when you click on the gear icon just like this, you're going to see several options. You can see the layout, you can see the grid, the face grid, the panel. You need to select grid and select the maximum number you need to select is 8. Go ahead and select face grid and 8 just like this. So once you click on switch, looking here on the screen, you can see that you're now live streaming with 9 boxes. Looking here on the screen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9 boxes on our screen. This is how simple it is to get 9 boxes on your TikTok live. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. This channel is really for you. See you in the next one.